Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enhance your videos using the Remini AI video enhancer. So guys, most of us are using the Remini app just to generate AI avatars or AI photos of ourselves. But the Remini app is not just to generate AI photos or AI avatars of yourself. You can use it to enhance your videos. With Remini app, you can turn your old pixelated or low quality videos into high definition videos with just one click. Remini app uses artificial intelligence to unblur, restore and enhance any video that you want. So guys, want to know how to do it? Make sure you follow me to the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step to take is to open your Remini app. In case you don't have the Remini app yet, what you have to do now is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. In case you're using an iPhone, then go over there and download it. Let me go over to my Play Store. Let me search out the app already. So guys can see now I'm on my Play Store, so let me tap on the search icon. You can see that at the top. So guys, what you have to search here now is your Remini app photo. You can see there, let me search for it. So guys can see there, that's the second option, the red and white logo. Let me tap on it so that you're going to see it clearly. So guys can see this is the app Remini AI photo enhancer. You can see it. So guys can go ahead now to read about this app. As you can see here, let me go downwards. You can see here this app has a review of 4.1, which means people are actually saying good things about it. And let me scroll to the left. So guys can see that it has over 100 million downloads. That means over 100 million persons are actually using this app and is giving them their required result. So guys, what you have to do is to read about this app. Once you're done reading about this app, what you have to do is to download and install it. So guys, as you can see, I've downloaded and installed this app into my phone. There's no need doing it for the second time. So what you have to do is to download it yourself and install it. Then once you download and install it, then you tap on open. So guys, let me open the app already. So guys can see once you open the Remini app for the first time, this is the first interface you're going to see. So guys, this is where you're going to do the magic. So guys can see at the top, you can see two options there, photos and videos. And as you can see, it's on the photo section. What you have to do now is to tap on the video so that it's going to shift to the video section. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it has directed us to our video gallery. So let me go ahead now to choose the video I want to enhance. Let me find the video. Let me tap this one right here. So guys can see I've selected the video I want to enhance. Let me tap on enhance. You can see the enhance button down there. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see it is uploading the video to the app. You can see reconstructing the details. You can see adding more pixels. You can see it's increasing the quality of the video. You can see it's removing blurs. You can see it's sharpening the videos. You can see it's reducing the noise. You can see it's adjusting a few details. So guys, let's just wait for a while. As you can see here, what is written down below is saying the enhancement may take a little while. Please don't quit the app. So while this is going on, don't go out of the app so that the process won't be cancelled. So guys can see now it's working on our video. It's adding a few details. It's reconstructing the details. So guys can see it's adding more pixels to the video. So guys can see it's increasing the quality of the video. So guys can see it's removing blur from the video. So guys, now it's downloading the video. This is so awesome. So guys, let's just wait for a while. So guys can see the video is downloading. So guys can see video downloaded. You can find the enhanced video in your phone gallery. So let me tap on OK, got it. Then let me go over to my phone gallery right away to find the video. So let me tap on my gallery. So let me tap on my Remini video folder. So guys, you can see the video up there. Let me tap on it. Then let me play the video. So guys can see the video. So guys, now you can compare the old video to this newly enhanced video. You're going to notice that this enhanced video has more quality, it has more resolution. You can see around the video there is no blurry parts. This is so cool. So guys, this is how you can actually enhance your video using Remini app. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.